Going back to President Moise, could you talk about his role in the PetroCaribe scandal, where billions of dollars from Venezuela, what marked for Haiti, disappeared?
That's what the people, the population was asking for. Where is the money from the PetroCaribe? Where are the jobs? Where are the hospitals that was supposed to be created with that money? And the answer of the government was killing people, was gas searing during the march. And beside that, all the gangs that he has armed, all the gangs that he had federated, where can be able to protest with the protection of the police. This is a vast system of corruption that have been reinforced. I don't say that they create the corruption in the state, but we have reached a level of corruption that we never knew before. So this is what has to be done. Investigation for all the kind of crime, the financial crimes also.
And can you talk about Pierre-Reginald Boulos, one of the Haitian oligarchs? I believe now there has been an arrest warrant issued for him. This was before, under Moise, which could have extremely, to say the least, angered him. But being in Washington, hiring lobbyists, what his role in Haiti is right now, and then what you believe the U.S. could do, should do.
The role of Reginald Boulos is one of the candidates, as many other candidates. He has a special position because he comes from the private sector, and he was one of the main support of the President Jovenel. He helped him to reach the power. But I have no special. For now, he's a candidate like the other one. I don't think that he deserves any special attention because they are 10, 20. But what the US can do, for once, we are asking them to listen to us. We are in a process, meetings every day this week. We are in a process to have a large consensus between all the sectors of the population. For once, please, I'm asking them to listen to our voice. They always say that the problem have to be solved by the Haitian. We would like them to respect their words and in fact, let the Haitian solve their problems and bring their solidarity to that solution that we are creating now.
There are elections scheduled to be held. Are there elections scheduled to be held in September? Or do you believe that they should go forward?
Listen, since 3 years, there was one speech. People are killed, election. People are being kidnapped, election. The day before the assassination, election of the president, election. The day after the assassination of the president, election. As if nothing had happened. It's an insult to our intelligence. They cannot keep doing the same thing over and over again, but expecting different results. That's Assange's definition of insanity. We have to reset. We have the car is broken. All the tires are flat, and you still want to go to the beach. let's repair it. Let's talk. Listen to us. We know what to do. And we know also what not to do. The body, the bullet wickled body, corpse of the president was barely cold that the State Department was still insisting to have election in 2 months. We know that all the political crises during those 20 or 30 years came from bad election. We don't want a cheap democracy. We were shocked when there was that violent riot on the symbolic and democratic institution of the United States, the parliament. We were shocked, as you people in the America were shocked. We know we want election, but we want an election that is not only transparent, but one that favors the participation of the election. Since the international community took charge of the election in Haiti, we went from 75% of participation of the population to today to less than 15%. That's the result of the organization the election by the international community. We are asking them for humility, for modesty, to recognize their part of responsibility in that failures, and come and talk to us.
Magali Comeau-Denise, I want to thank you so much for being with us, former Minister of Culture in Haiti, speaking to us from Port-au-Prince, now coordinator of the Civil Society Commission to find a Haitian solution to the ongoing political crisis. This after last week's unprecedented assassination